a good time out there.
Estoy lista para la fiesta. Voy a la fiesta. Hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. I'm Stephanie. Today I created this fiesta look. It is finally fiesta season and I cannot believe it. I'm seriously so freaking excited. So if you guys do not know what fiesta is I'd say around like 10 or 11 days. It's an event that happens here in San Antonio, Texas, where I am born and raised. And it comes every year. It is always in April. It's usually after Easter. There's a carnival, there's music, there's parades, everything that goes on downtown with the cascarones and everything. So that is what inspired me to do this look today. If you want to know how to get this look, then just keep on watching.
Then you see me holding up my middle finger to the world, like your ribbons and your pearls, 'cause I'm not just a pretty girl.
So to start off this look, I'm going to be starting with my eyes. So I'm going to bring you guys in a little bit closer so that way you can see it. So I'm going to start by taking the I Want It All Kylie eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to be taking the color The New Black, which is this pink one right here. And I'm going to be using that as my transition shade. And I'm going to place that right in the crease. Next, I'm going to be taking my Morphe M533 brush, and I'm going to be blending that out. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Luxie 229 tapered blending brush, and I'm going to be taking the color Creamsicle from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm just going to be applying that a little bit over the pink shade that we just applied. Next, I'm going to be taking my Morphe M410 flat crease brush. What the heck? I can't even talk. A flat concealer brush. And I'm going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm just going to be doing a cut crease. Now that I have cut my crease, I'm going to be taking this teal color and this flat Kylie brush and just apply that all over. Next, after I finish with the teal color, I'm going to be taking this heavy metal glitter and just applying that right over the crease. Once I have finished applying the glitter, I am going to be taking my liquid liner. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Liner, and I'm just going to be doing a regular wing. For eyelashes today, I'm going to be taking the House of Lashes in the style Iconic. And I'm going to be applying them with the Super Bond Professional Formula Dark Hair Bond Glow. Even though this is not meant for your eyelashes, it works really good. So I completely forgot to film it, but I did apply mascara to the top of my eyelashes. Now that my eyelash is on, I'm going to be doing the other eye off camera. To start off, I'm going to be priming my nose with the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser, and I'm just going to be applying that where my pores are freaking huge. Next, for my foundation, you guys already know, I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD stick in the shade Y335. And once I have applied that, I'm going to be blending it out with my Morphe blending sponge. Now that my foundation is all blended out, I'm going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Sand, and I'm just going to be applying that under my eyes. Now I'm going to be blending that out once again with my Morphe blending sponge. I'm going to be taking my Airspun translucent powder and baking under my eyes. I'm also going to be baking in areas that I know that I will crease. Next, I'm going to be taking this flat foundation brush and I'm going to be taking my Sephora pressed powder and setting the rest of my face where I did not put the translucent powder. Next, I'm just going to be wiping away the foundation on my lips. And I'm actually going to be dusting away that translucent powder that I put on my lips too. For lipstick today, I'm going to be taking the Lime Crime lipstick in the color Prairie. Now I'm going to be dusting away the translucent powder from under my eyes. To contour, I'm going to be taking my Anastasia contour kit in the shade Light Medium. We love a sister with a snatch nose. Next, I'm going to be going back in with my Morphe blending sponge, and I'm going to be using the flat side to clean up where I was contouring. Next, I'm going to be taking my Morphe M501 brush, and I'm going to be taking the Anastasia highlighter. This is the Amrezi highlighter. For blush today, I'm going to be taking this bronzer brush.
Yeah, that's it, right, bronzer brush.
And I'm going to be using the Milani Baked Blush in the color number 1. Oh god, again. Next, I'm going to be taking my flat foundation brush again and dusting away the translucent powder. Next, I'm going to be setting my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray because you need your makeup to last at Fiesta. I need to invest in a fan. And lastly, I'm just going to be applying my Bad Gal Bang Benefit Mascara to my bottom lash line. The reason that I didn't do it before the, setting spray is because usually when I do it, I end up spraying it and then it smears, so that's why I do it afterwards. What is that sound? Do you hear that? It's like a high-pitched sound. Unless it's my ears that are ringing. Why is somebody talking about me? It's rude. So this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If you are new here and you like this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the little bell so that way you're notified every time I upload a new video. I'm going to be trying to do 2 videos a week. Usually my upload days are Sundays, but I'm going to be trying to work with Wednesdays and Sundays. And let me guys know in the comments what kind of videos you guys want to watch. And if you do participate in any of the Fiesta events, comment down below what your favorite part of Fiesta is. If you did like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on all of my social media. I'll have all of those linked below. And once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!